Africa Sustainability Hub was launched in Nairobi on 10th June 2015 by Professor Judy Wahungu, the Cabinet Secretary for Environment and Natural Resources in Kenya. The hub is part of 5 other hubs in the Pathways to Sustainability Global Consortium, which follow the Pathways approach to sustainability.
The STEP Center sits at the University of Sussex. You'll hear quite a lot about it, but it has various hubs around the world, including in the US, in Europe, in China, in India. And the Africa Hub that we are launching today will be the first one in Africa. Our vision of the hub is really as a multi-stakeholder platform where all of us can come together and explore practical solutions to the challenge that we face.
The Africa Sustainability Hub is a networked hub with the core partners being the African Center for Technology Studies ARCS, which also hosts the Secretariat, the STEP Center, the African Technology Policy Studies Network, ATPS, and the Stockholm Environment Institute. The Africa Sustainability Hub will bring together researchers from across the continent to work on research promoting pro-poor low-carbon economic development in Africa.
One of the pertinent issues that the hub could drive or foster is in the area of low-carbon energy development for the continent.
If you look at the African Common Position, in preparation to the drafting of the Sustainable Development Goals, Africa have 6 thematic areas, and energy constitutes one of the thematic areas. So from a policy perspective, the continent is aware of the challenges it's facing. It's also aware of the opportunities it could tap into providing sustainable energy that is not contributing to emissions, but at the same time also help to better people's livelihoods.
The main objective of the hub is to harness research and policy around science, technology and innovation to promote socially just sustainability across the African continent and to produce solid research evidence and critical engagement in policy and action towards SDGs and the post-2015 agenda.
Innovative research that informs these processes is very critical. And perhaps to mention one key thing about this innovative research is that it is not, the hub is not going to pursue the traditional research on sustainable development that has been pursued with, by different organizations since the establishment of sustainable development. But it's going to adopt a unique approach that brings different perspectives. For the hub, capacity development in this case would involve enhancing the capacity of young researchers who are venturing into sustainable development research. We see a situation whereby we are going to have one of the world-class knowledge exchange platform that has never been witnessed anywhere.
We are poised to work together to ensure that we mainstream, first of all, mainstream the objective of the hub, which is to foster pro-poor low-carbon development, this kind of sustainable energy development that will meet the needs of the poor.
This is not, and we're very keen not to limit this just to academic institutions or to research institutions, and that's why you're here, because the sustainability challenge is bigger. We can provide the research, the policy analysis, and maybe the brokerage. You have to do the hard work. The governments actually have to make the policy decisions on how to allocate resources. The same thing as the private sector. The civil society has to hold everyone accountable. We are here basically to invite you to join us in this journey.